Alright guys, so I'm back with another video today, and it doesn't matter what car you have, this can be a problem. So with this car, one of the license plate bolts that holds the license plate in has broke off even. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get out a bolt from your license plate if the head has been knocked off. So let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, this one is in, and this one has been broke off even. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's literally even. So normally, you would just take something and cut into the screw, or the nut, or bolt, or whatever, and you would go ahead and just take like a flathead screwdriver and take it out. Which this might work for you if the bolt or the screw has been knocked off, but there's still like a little bit left on the end. But this one is completely flush with like the back of the car. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to try to take the inside panel out and see if I can unscrew it from the inside, because I've already checked and I unscrewed this one and it's hollow in there. So we're going to go ahead and take out part of the inside panel and get right to it. Okay, so I had to set the camera down for a second because it took two hands. But you're going to go ahead and take your puller and just put it in, and then just pull down, and then you'll hear it pop, and you're just popping the clips off, and you'll just go all the way around, just like that, all the way around each side, and then the panel should slide off. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn off the camera. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then once the panel's off, I'll show you guys the inside. Okay guys, so I have the whole panel popped off. And I didn't see this before, but actually this is actually screwed into the panel, so you got to go ahead and take this off as well. On my car, it might not be the same as your guys' car. Okay, so now we got our panel off, and you're going to see like this is like sound deadening stuff, or I guess to like protect some of the components behind it. But you can go ahead and just pull it off, because it'll stick back because this stuff's really sticky. So you'll just pull it off. Okay, so now we're going to leave it hanging up. Don't pull it all the way off, because then it might be hard to get back on. But as you can see right here is one of the license plate bolts, and then this is the other one that the head has been knocked or broke off of. So now I'm going to go ahead, and you can use WD-40 or something, just spray around it, and then we'll get some vice grips and click onto it, and we'll turn it out. Okay, so now we're going to take some penetrating oil, like liquid wrench. We're going to spray it on the bottom, and then you're going to go ahead and also spray some on the top. And then just let that sit for a little while. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and try it the first time with just a liquid wrench on it. Okay, and it's still not moving the bolt, it's just spinning on the head. As you guys can see, it's took all the threads off, so they were just spinning on it. So now we're going to go ahead and try another trick that we know. Alright, so this is the tool that everybody needs in their toolbox. When you have a screw or bolt or anything that gets stuck or seized up from it being rusted or whatever, you can heat it up and it'll actually make the threads contract, and it kind of breaks up the rust. And it should make it really easy for us to get out this bolt. Now you want to go ahead and clip these on here and try to unfasten it as fast as possible while it's still hot to break up the rust. So as you guys can see, it came out a lot easier like that. So there we go. So now we can put a screw back in our license plate. Alright, so now we're going to put this plastic back up. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll take the panel, and I had to use both hands to do this. So you put it up and then slide it back this way, and then you'll just look up behind here and make sure that your clips are in the right spot, and then you'll just start pushing each of them up all the way around. Make sure you get the ones in the center. Okay, so now you'll take your pull string, you'll put it back, so it's going to go in like this with the L this way. Okay, and then you're going to put back in the plastic piece, that, and then you can go ahead and put this one back in. Alright, and now your back panel is put back together. Just go around after you're completely done and just make sure you got all the clips in, and then everything's back together. So we'll go ahead and we'll close out the video. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope this really helped you guys out. So if there's a screw that's broke off even, you know, normally there's a trick to where you just cut a slot in it and you can back it out this way. Where it was even, we didn't want to cut into the car by an accident. So that's why we took the panel off. So that's another way. And also if it's seized up, you've seen how we used the torch again. That's a good fix for any bolt on the whole car if it's seized up, or a screw on the car if it's seized up. We used it on the caliper on the TC at one point where the bleeder was, to take it off and on. So I really hope this video helped you guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already subscribed, and then go down in the information below, and you can follow me on Instagram because I post pictures of my car and just different stuff I'm doing all the time, and that'll help me reach out to you guys when new videos are coming out and stuff. And also, if you are just subscribing, or if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell. Go back to my homepage and hit the bell on your notifications so you can get emails when I come out with new videos. But again guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the